Yeah, welcome everyone. In this class, we are going to be solve NDA 2018 paper number second previous year's questions related to trigonometric ratio and equation. So we will solve. So first question come in 2018, that is 2 tan theta and 1 plus tan square theta equal to, yeah, we know, for I think you know that formula is sine theta sine 2 theta formula. Yeah, this is sine 2 theta formula. So option C is correct, and I recommend you that you memorize its this formula. That is next. So what we will do, what we did here, we write 2 sec theta equal to sec theta minus alpha plus sec theta plus alpha, and then we change a sec theta into 1 upon cos theta. Here become 1 upon cos theta minus alpha. Here is also cos theta plus alpha, and then we take LCM, so we get LCM cos theta plus alpha, and here we got cos theta minus alpha, and here is cos theta minus alpha and cos theta plus alpha. Here is same 2 cos theta. Now what I do, I will open here. So when I open cos theta plus alpha, we get cos theta cos alpha minus sin theta and sin alpha. Here we got cos theta cos alpha plus sin theta and sin alpha, and in denominator we got cos theta cos alpha plus sin theta and sin alpha, and also cos theta cos alpha minus sin theta and sin alpha. Yeah, this and this cancel. Here is 2 cos theta. Okay, so I will write here next. So we got 2 cos theta, and here we get 2 cos theta cos alpha upon here we get cos square theta cos square alpha minus sin square theta and sin square alpha. So this and this cancel, then I cross multiply. So we get cos square theta cos square alpha minus sin square theta and sin square alpha, and here we get cos square theta and cos alpha. We got here. So what we will do here, we take cos square theta and cos alpha in left hand side, and then we will solve. So I will do it. Wait a minute. Okay, so what we will do now, we take this into left hand side. So when we take, we get cos square theta cos square alpha, that come here, cos square theta and cos alpha, and this present same here, sin square theta and sin square alpha equal to 0. So now what I do, I take cos square theta common here, cos square theta. So here we get cos square alpha minus 1 and minus sin square theta and sin square alpha equal to 0. So cos square alpha minus 1, yeah, what become this, yeah, when I take minus common from here, we get 1 minus cos square alpha. I take minus common.
सर
Yeah,
सर यहाँ पर तो कॉस अल्फा है और यहाँ है कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा, तो इसमें का कॉस अल्फा कहाँ चल गया?
yeah, sorry for that. Thank you, Manish. Yeah, sorry, what we did here wrong. what we did, we take first take common cos square theta, so here become cos square alpha minus cos alpha and minus sin square theta and sin square alpha equal to 0. So what we will do here next, first okay, so we got this, and our question asks what is value of sin square theta and plus cos square alpha. That is our question ask, sin square theta value and cos alpha. So what we will do, I also change sin square alpha into cos, so here we get cos square theta. I will write in next slide. What we get, we get cos square theta and cos square alpha minus cos alpha minus sin square theta and sin square alpha, and our question asks what is value of sin square theta and cos alpha. So what I will do, I change sin square and also equal to 0. I change sin square alpha into cos, so here we write cos square theta, here is cos square alpha minus cos alpha minus sin square theta. So when we change this we get 1 minus cos square alpha equal to 0. Now what I do, I multiply this. So when we multiply we get cos square theta and cos square alpha minus cos alpha, here we get minus sin square theta minus minus become plus, we get sin square theta and cos square alpha equal to 0. So what I do, I also multiply this, so we get cos square theta and cos square alpha minus cos square theta and cos alpha, and here is minus sin square theta and sin square theta and cos square alpha equal to 0. So what I do, I write this and this in one place. So when we write cos square theta and cos square alpha plus sin square theta and cos square alpha, and here we write here we get cos square theta and cos alpha minus sin square theta equal to 0. So I take common here cos square alpha, so when I take, so it's become cos square theta plus sin square theta and minus cos square theta and cos alpha minus sin square theta equal to 0. So what become this become 1 and we get cos square alpha minus cos square theta and cos alpha minus sin square theta equal to 0. So what we will do here, we only find the value of cos alpha. So what we do here, we take cos square theta into left side, sin square theta, yeah. Now what I do, I take cos square cos alpha here common, so here we get cos alpha minus cos theta and minus sin square theta equal to 0. Okay, and our question asks what is value of cos, I will check.
सर
Yeah,
सर लास्ट स्लाइड दिखाइए सर, यहाँ पर cos स्क्वायर थीटा होगा ना,
cos square theta here,
लास्ट
yeah, okay, yeah, no, I take cos square alpha common, so here become cos square theta plus sin square theta.
सर आप कॉमन लिए हैं cos अल्फा, सर यहाँ पर cos स्क्वायर थीटा है।
No, I take common cos square alpha and so we get cos square theta plus sin square theta. So cos
सर
square,
सब लास्ट लाइन,
yeah, in last line I take cos alpha common. Okay, so
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah,
Cos
yeah. So
alpha
here is
value
cos
is
square
equal to
theta.
1.
Okay,
Yes, sir,
cos
वही बोल
alpha
रहे हैं।
minus cos square theta. That is correct.
वही
Now,
बोल रहे हैं।
now what we will do? Okay, I think we did something mistake. Maybe so. Yeah, we did any mistake. We only find cos alpha value and sine square theta. So okay, we find first sine square theta value. So we get sine square cos alpha and cos square theta. Sine square theta value we get this. Yeah, we got this. So I will put this into that equation because our question asks what is value for this. So when I put here, so here we get cos alpha and cos alpha minus cos square theta plus cos alpha. So here is cos alpha. So what I do, I take cos alpha common here also. So when I take cos alpha common, here we get cos alpha minus cos square theta plus 1. So what we get? We get cos alpha, and yeah, that's become cos alpha, and 1 minus plus, yeah, that's become plus 1 minus cos square theta. So I write down 1 minus cos square theta into sine form. So we get cos alpha plus sine square theta, and here is also cos alpha. Okay, so what we will do here, we get this formula cos alpha and cos alpha multiplied with cos alpha sine square theta. So for finding, okay, so what we will do next, and our question asks what is value of this. Okay, we can also put back here. So when we put back value here, we get cos square alpha minus, yeah, that is not. I think we did something mistake. Yeah, Lucian, you observe something?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so what we will do in next? We also first change cos is theta into sine. We make all sine here. We not take our theta into cos form. We change our cos theta into sine, and we only, so what I do here next? I change cos alpha here. I change cos square theta into sine 1 minus sine square theta and equal to sine square theta. Okay, so what we will do next, we open this. So when we open, we get cos square alpha minus cos alpha and 1 minus sine square theta equal to sine square theta. So I take sine square theta value in one side. So when what we will get here, we get cos square alpha minus cos alpha, and in left side we get sine square theta, and 1 plus cos 1 minus cos alpha. Yeah, what I did, Roshan, I take that's in left side. So what we will do, we take here cos alpha common. So here we get 1 minus cos alpha, and here we get sine square theta and 1 minus cos alpha. Now what I do, I cross this, and we get cos alpha equal to sine square theta. I think we did some minus mistake here. When we multiply with cos square alpha, here we get cos alpha minus, that is correct, and that is minus, and when it's go here, so it's become minus cos alpha, that's, and then I took common cos square theta, sin square theta, so we get cos alpha equal to sin square theta. I think we did some minus mistake, here come minus, and when we take in left side, so we get cos alpha plus sin square theta equal to 0. So we will check where we did that mistake of minus. So I will check where we did mistake of minus. So what I did here, I take common cos alpha, so that is correct, and minus sin square theta. Okay, cos alpha, minus. Yeah, I didn't find here mistakes and something, but we did a mistake. That's so. I think we will find it. So we did mistake. You care, that's where we did mistake. So its answer is A. Yeah, we did some minus mistake. Okay. So now we will move on question number 3. So what is question number 3? Question number 3 is given a plus b c, a plus b plus c equal to 180. Then what is value of sine 2a minus sine 2b minus sine 2c equal to? So yeah, that is asked, what is value of sine 2a minus sine 2b and minus sine 2c. Okay, so what we will do here, I apply here sine a minus b formula. Okay, so I will apply the here. So here when we apply, we get 2 sine, yeah, sine a I write sine c minus sine d formula equal to 2 sine c minus d by 2 and cos c plus d by 2. Yeah, that is formula sine c minus d. So we apply here. So here we get 2 sine c minus d means 2a minus 2b by 2, and cos c plus d means 2a plus 2b by 2 minus sine 2c. So here we get 2, so it's cancelled, we get sine a minus b and cos a plus b minus sine 2c. But we also given that a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree. So what is value of a plus b equal to 180 degree minus c? So we will put here. So we get 2 sine a minus b. So when I put, we get cos 180 degree minus c and minus sine 2c. Yes, cos 180 minus c, that is minus cos c. So here we get minus 2 sine a minus b, that is minus cos c. So minus put a here. So we get cos c minus sine 2c. Yeah, we got this. So now I will do, I put a value here. So a equal to 180 degree minus c minus b. So when I put this value here, a, so we get sine 180 degree minus c minus b and cos c minus sine 2c. So that is add, and we get minus 2 sine 180 degree minus c minus 2b and cos c minus sine 2c. So sine 80 minus theta means sine theta. So here we get sine c plus 2b, or here is cos c minus sine 2c. Yeah, we got this. So now what I will do, I change sine 2c into I apply sine 2c formula here. So 1 minute. So what we will do next? We get minus 2 cos, sorry, we get sine c plus 2b and cos c. I write sine 2c into 2 sine c and cos c. Yeah, that is formula. So now what I do, I take minus 2 cos c common. So here we get sine c plus 2b minus sine c. Yeah, we got this. So now what will do, I, so for solving this I open sine c plus sine a plus b formula. So when I open, so we get sine c and cos 2b and plus cos c sine 2b minus sine c. We got this. Now what I do, I take here we get sine c. So what I do here, I simply minus 2 cos c, I write this and this in combination. So sine c and cos 2b minus sine c and cos c and sine 2b. So I take sine c common here. So cos c. So when I take sine c common, we get sine c and sine c and cos 2b minus 1. Or here we get cos c and I open here formula sine 2b. So we get 2 sine b and cos b. Okay, we got this here 2 cos c. So what we will get here, minus 2 cos c. Here we got sine c and now I open that formula. Yeah, what is formula? 1 minus cos 2b. Yeah, that is formula is 2 sine square b. So here is not minus, so I take minus common here. So yeah, that is, so I take minus common, so here go minus. I think you, okay, so when I take minus common and then I apply formula, so here we get 2 sine square. Here that is multiplication with, so 2 sine squares b and plus here we get 2 sine b cos b and cos c. Yeah, we got this. So what we will do, I take a 2 2 sine b common. So when we take 2 sine b common, here come 4 cos c and sine b, and here we left sine c minus sine c and plus, sorry, minus sine c and sine b, also sine b, and here we got 2, not 2 because we take 2 common already. So here we get cos b and cos c. Okay, so we got this and our question is given in that forum. So what become this, minus 4 cos c and sine b. Okay, here is minus percent minus 1 minus, so that is you get and sine c plus b cos c cos c and sine b or sine b. Okay, I think we did something mistake. Rushan, you observed something? Rushan?
No, sir, I am not understanding.
Yeah, so sorry for that. I will repeat again. I think
Okay.
I must be explain you because you joining class. If you didn't understand that what is mean, recorded. So I think sorry for that. and you can ask me if you have. Yeah, that is not matter. I think it is also help those you watch on YouTube, because they also understand that's what I doing if they don't understand you when you ask question. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will repeat again what I do. I think I make it wrong. Wrong, not wrong, long. Okay, I will. Sorry for that. Yeah, Rusani, you solve some question your own.
No, sir, I didn't try any question.
Yeah, please try something.
Okay.
Okay. What is given our question? Our question is given uh, uh, a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree. And what is asked our question? Our question asks what is value of sine to a minus sine to b and minus sine to c. Sine to c. So what we will do here? We take common sine to a. I take common minus. So here we get sine to b and plus sine to c. So now we will apply here. We That's formula sine c plus sine d, formula equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. Yeah, we use this formula here. Okay, so when I apply here sine 2a, when I apply here that formula, so we get 2, here c is 2b, so 2b plus 2c upon by 2. Here we get cos 2b minus 2c by 2. So what we will get? We get sine 2a minus 2. Yeah, that we get here we get sine a sine b plus c, and here we get cos b minus c. So what we will do here? For doing here, we now we will put what is when we find b plus c, we get 180 minus a. So I also open here is I open sine to a formula, so become 2 sine a and cos a, and minus 2 I put sine a sine b and c value. Sine b plus c equal to 180 degree minus a, and here we get cos b minus c. So now what I do here? Here we get 2 here sine a cos a minus 2 as sine 80 degree minus a means sine a, that is same, and here we get cos b minus c. So what I do here? I take common 2 sine a, so we get 2 sine a common, so here we left cos a, here left cos a minus cos b minus c. Okay, so now now what we will do here? For solving this, we can for solving this, we will do something more. Okay, what we will do here? For now we will change cos a minus, here is cos a minus cos b minus c. So for solving this, okay, so what I do here? I will find what is value of a from the here. So we get a equal to 180 degree minus b plus c. Okay, yeah, I find a value here. So I put a value here. So 2 sine a. When I put a cos a value here, so we get cos 180 degree minus b plus c, and here minus cos b minus c. Okay, so yeah, what is cos 180 minus theta? Yeah, that is minus cos theta. So here we get minus 2 sin a. Yeah, that's we got minus cos b plus c, and here we have already cos b minus c. Okay, so I will take a common minus. So when I minus common, minus is already, so we get to plus 2 sin a and the cos b plus c and plus cos b minus c. So I will use formula cos c plus d. What is formula cos c plus cos d? Equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. Yeah, I will use this formula here. Okay, so when we apply that formula here, so what we will go, we here go to sin a, and here we got cos, here we got minus 2 c plus d means b plus c plus b minus c by 2, and c minus d means b plus c minus b minus c, b minus c by 2. Okay, so what we get minus 4 sin a. Yeah, that is cancel. Yeah, that is cancel cc. We get sin 2b upon 2, so we get here sin b. Okay, and here we get c, and yeah, when we yeah, here we get sin, sorry 1 minute, here we get, okay, here what we got here, here we got sin b plus c minus b plus c. So b and b cancel, we get 2c. So our answer is minus 4 sin a sin b. Yeah, I think Rusan, 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 you can hear me? Rusan, Rusan. Okay, here we get sin 2 sin a, and I will apply here formula cos c plus cos d. So that is formula 2 cos c plus d means b plus c plus b minus c by 2, and cos c minus d, yeah, means b plus c minus b minus c by 2. So here we get 2, so that is minus already. So here we get 4 sin a, here we get cos b and cos c. Okay, so where we will go minus, okay, so we got minus, so we get minus here because when we take common minus, so we get minus here minus here. So we got minus 4 sin a cos b cos c. Yeah, that is our answer, and I think I hope you are understood. So option D is correct. Now we will move on another question, question number 4. Okay, so question number 4 is, A is angle in the fourth quadrant. It satisfies the trigonometric equation. Which one of the following is correct? Yeah, what is satisfy this? This satisfy 3 minus minus tan square a minus cot a square equal to 1. Yeah, that is it satisfy. So what we will do here, I open its square. So yeah, maybe we open, or maybe we try to put a here value. So what value is 10a given answer? So first we put a 10a equal to 10a equal to 45 degree, because at 45 we get something. So when I put a equal to 45, 10a equal to become 1. So here is also 1 and 3. So here we get 1 square and 3 equal to 1. Yeah, that is not give us answer. So what we will put here? So we put a 10 a equal to 30 degree. So 3 minus 10 30 value is 10 30 value is 1 by 3. So here we get 1 by 3, and cot 30 degree is root 3. So root 3 square. So here is not square, so root 3 and square. So we don't get from here answer. So when we put a equal to 60 degree, so what is 10 value? 10 is root 3 at 60. So when we to make root 3 square, so we get 3 here, and here we got 1 by root 3. Okay, that is cancel, and we get 1 by root 3 square, and multiply with 3. So we get 3 multiply with 1 by 3, that is we got 1. So what is value of a? A is 60, or maybe multiple of 16. So we given that's a in fourth quadrant. So when a in fourth quadrant, so when 36 degree minus 60 degree, so that is in a fourth quadrant. So a option A is correct, and I hope you understood. Okay, now we will move our on next question. Question number 5. In question number 5, we given that what is the solution of the trigonometric equation. Yeah, question asks what is the solution of given equation. What is equation? Equation is cosec x plus cot x equal to root 3, and theta is given that this line into 0 and less than 2 pi. So we will use that value. So for first what I do, I change into cos and sine form. So we get 1 by sine x, and when I change this we get cos x upon sine x equal to root 3. So now what I do, I take a LCM, so we get 1 by 1 plus cos x and sin x equal to root 3. So cos square x by 2 upon 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2 equal to root 3. So this and cos x by 2 and cancel, we get cot x by 2 equal to root 3. So now what I do, I cross multiply. So we get 10 x by 2 equal to 1 by root 3. So when 10 x by 1 by root 3, when 10 pi by 6. So we get x by 2 equal to pi by 6. So we get x equal to pi by 3. So that is our answer. So which option is? Option B is correct, and I hope you understood. Now we will move another question. Yeah, what is the next question? Next question given is theta equal to pi by 8, and ask what is by 8, and ask what is value of 2 cos theta plus 1 power 10 and 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 power 10, 2 cos theta minus 1 power 10, and 2 cos 4 theta minus 1 power 10. That is ask what is value of this. So what we will do here, okay, here we will use this and this. Write down here 2 cos theta plus 1 here is 2 cos theta minus 1. Okay, and that's power 10, and here is 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 power 10, and 2 cos 4 theta minus 1 power 10. Okay, so I apply here a plus b, a minus b, so here we get 4 cos square theta minus 1 power 10, and here we got 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 power 10. Here we go 2 cos 4 theta minus 1 power 10. Okay, so what I do here, for I add 2 cos square theta. Okay, so what we will do here, okay, so cos square theta, yeah, what I write, we know that's 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. So I put cos square theta, 2 cos square theta value here. So when we put, so we get 2 1 plus cos 2 theta minus 1 and power 10. Here I put a theta value, so when I put, we get cos pi by 4 minus 1 power 10. Here we get 2 cos pi by 2 minus 1 power 10. Okay, so I also put here, so first I multiply, so I multiply, we get 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 power 10, and here when I do, so here it pi by 2, so 1 by root 2, so we get 1 by root 2 minus 1 power 10, and yeah, that's become 0, so minus 1 power 10. Okay, so here we get 1 plus 2, I also put here cos theta equal to pi by 8, so we get pi by 4 and power 10. Here we get 2 root 2, so yeah, 2 upon root 2 means root 2 minus 1 power 10. Yeah, minus 1 power 10 is only 1. Okay, so what we got, we get, yeah, so I also put here 2 cos pi by 4 value, 1 by root 2, and here power 10, and here root 2 minus 1 power 10. Okay, so yeah, this become root 2 plus 1 power 10 and root 2 minus 1 power 10. So I take power 10 common in one blank. Okay, I write down this. Yeah, this become formula a plus b, a minus b equal to root 2 square minus 1 square and power 10. Yeah, root 2 square is 2 minus 1 power 10. Yeah, we get 1 power 10. Yeah, that is 1. So 1 is our answer. Option B is correct. And I hope you understood. Now we will move another question. Question number 7. Okay. What is question number 7? Question number 7 is cos alpha and cos beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. Yeah, cos alpha and cos alpha and cos beta are root of cos alpha and cos beta root of this quadratic equation. What is quadratic? X 4x square minus 3 equal to 0. So what is sum of roots? So sum cos alpha plus cos beta, coefficient of x is 0, and upon coefficient of x square, so we get 0 upon 4, we got 0. So what we get here, we get cos alpha plus cos beta, cos alpha plus cos beta is 0, and when we get product of root is cos alpha and cos beta equal to constant upon a x square coefficient. So constant is minus 3 upon 4. We got this. Yeah, we got these two equation. So what our question ask? Our question ask what is value of sine alpha multiply, sorry, not sine alpha, sec alpha and sec alpha dot sec beta. The dot means multiplication. Okay, so what we will do here, we change cos and cos alpha and cos beta into sec. So when I change this, so we get 1 upon sec alpha plus 1 upon sec beta equal to 0. What I do, I change this equation into sec form. So when I take LCM, we get sec alpha plus sec beta upon 1 sec alpha and sec beta equal to 0. So here we also find what is value of sec alpha and sec beta. So I also change cos alpha and cos beta into sec. So we get 1 upon sec alpha and sec beta equal to 3 by 4. So what we got, we got sec alpha and sec beta equal to minus 4 by 3. Yeah, we got this. So now I put sec alpha and sec beta product here. Yeah, our question is simply ask this. So we got this. Okay, so we need not to be doing this further. So we got our answer. So we need not to be do here. So our answer, what is our answer? Our answer is option A. I think you understood. Okay, we find its roots and then we reciprocal it. I hope you understood. Yeah, we need not to change this. Now we will move on question number 8. What is question number 8? Question number 8 is, if a equal to sin square theta plus cos 4 theta, then for all real theta, which one of the following is correct? Okay, so yeah, that ask where is what is maximum and minimum value of a. Yeah, that's ask what is maximum and minimum value if a equal to sin square theta plus cos 4 theta. So what I do here, I change sin square theta into cos. So I write 1 minus cos square theta plus cos 4 theta. So we get cos 4 theta minus cos square theta plus 1. Okay, so we got this quadratic equation. So we will what I do, I put cos square theta equal to t. So when I put, so we get here t square minus t plus 1. So I also take this here. So we get t square minus t plus 1 minus a equal to 0. We got this quadratic equation. So we know that if it's have real roots, so its d must be positive or 0. So what is its d? Its d is b square. B here is 1 square minus 4ac. A is 1 and c is 1 minus a. That is must be positive. So what we get? We get 1 minus 4 and 1 minus a must be positive. So here we get 1 minus 4 plus 4a must be positive. So we got minus 3 plus 4a is must be positive, and 4a is greater than 3 and a is greater than 3 by 4. So a is greater than 3 by 4. And what is minimum value of a? So we know that for finding minimum value of this equation, what we will do here, we will make it in Okay, so yeah, that is a is greater than 3 upon 4, and what is maximum value. So for finding maximum, what we will do here? Okay, yeah, for finding maximum value. Yeah, we know that here is one possible when, yeah, this is not, yeah, which is greater than, yeah, this is less than 1. 13 upon 16 is less than 1. Yeah, we know that, but yeah, it maybe take one value. Why? When theta is 0, so cos theta become 1. So 1 power 4 we get 1, and sin theta becomes 0. So we know that it take one value. Here is not given theta limit. So we know that its maximum value is 1, and minimum value we will get. So option B is correct. Okay, why I didn't solve its find its maximum value? We find only its minimum value. Why? Because we know that here is not given restriction on theta. Yeah, here is theta anything. So I took theta is 0. When I took, so we get a is equal to 1. So we know that a is equal to 1 possible when theta is 0. So its maximum value is 1, and its minimum value is 3 by 4. And I think you understood. Okay. So yeah, that is yeah, we complete our 2018 all previous year question, and in next video we are going to be solve 2018 paper number first